切切切切切切切，好好好好。
Bro, I'm already drunk, dude. Oh my god, man. This is serious business, chat. Super serious, man, okay? Hold on. Welcome, traders, to episode 554. Just another notch under our belt. Just another number, man. Welcome to the show. Could be doing anything, but you're here. Oh my god, I didn't even clean out my jar. I'm so embarrassed. Hold on. Ugh. I want to do this live right now. We're gonna do it live. Dude, I'm seriously, believe me, man. Like, just understand. The inebriation levels have hit critical mass before the stream started. I'm like, I'm a ready-made, you know, drunken crypto streamer. Here we go, baby. Here we go. Hold on a sec. Had a good time tonight. I got to see the symphony orchestra one time a year. Evidently, it's played at Railroad Park. There's a symphony, and I went and had a good time. Hold on. What the F? All right, we're good now. We're good. Hold on. Chat. Hold on. What kind of conditions are we under right now? If Bitcoin was weather, okay, chat, we're doing this together. If Bitcoin was weather, it'd be like, will we keep it the same? You know, we can't do that because the sun's not out. It's nighttime, right? So we take off the weather. Dude, I mean, I guess we could look at it like it's raining, but it's drizzling. It's not bad. I don't really have a nighttime drizzle, though. So that's the problem. All I have is this, right? Sucks. Alright, this is all I have. Like, I'll go with Chaylin and see if I can find some. But, like, dude, how do you do, like, late night drizzle base mat overlay? You can't, dude. There's no way you can do it. The only way you can get away with thunderstorms at night is based on the lightning, right? There's no lightning. Maybe we could do like a floodlight or something. You see what I'm talking about? The base mat overlay. It's like literally what you see. It is not chat, not the webcam. Anyway, dude. Okay, sorry. Anyway, oh hey man, Bitcoin did absolutely nothing, dude. We go out, we have a good time, we live our lives, we come back, and it's done nothing, dude. It's like, really? Were we even gone, dude? Chat, were we even away from the webcam, dude? I don't really think we were, man. So like, wow, this is kind of awkward. Nothing really to talk about besides it's exactly the same place it was before. Wow. If we look at Ethereum, I bet money, dude. Same spot. Look, I'm here. You saw the title of the stream, right? You saw it was for Kang Logan, right? So don't get mad at me, man. Okay, so we upsloping consolidation after the impulse and kind of double bottoming and breaking down some resistance, but we're not doing anything. Bullish divergence even, right? Doing nothing. Is that true, David Severs, man? Is that true, chat? What say you? What say all of you? Cheers to each and every one of you, alright? What's up, Crypto Talk, bud? How you doing, bud? Good God. Why am I even doing this? I'm like, why am I even drinking alcohol right now? Because I'm already like, you don't even want to know. What's up, Lodic Man, M Stone, Moon Raccoon, VIP Tribe, Ricardo Riaz. It's gonna be tough reading, dude. Reading's tough when you're drinking. Live out in public stream. Trader, what are you talking about, dude? You talking about like I should be IRL streaming? Nah, dude. If you want IRL streaming, Ice Poseidon, well, you Kappa, because he can't anymore because he destroyed his community. So, sucks for him. Well, what's up, B-Slice, dude? Ricardo Riaz. Crypto Taiga, hello. XRB Zealot, hi. That was a cool change up in music. Did we even change up the music, dude? I mean, did we really? Yeah, that's right, dude. Like the music, man, hit the like button, the bell, sub Kangs. It's good music, though, for real. Chernobyl's on HBO? Yes, it is. 100%. You're feeling it, Crumb of God? I'm feeling it, man. So good. Miss Shabba, hi. Dude, where is King Logan, dude? Because I've got to have a word. Alright, I cut my evening short to make sure I was here for the man of the hour. And it was King Logan. Alright, chat. Everyone understand? Everyone get blasted at the symphony. Sounds dope. Yeah, dude. Yeah, it was fun, man. Once a year, dude. Once a year. What'd they play? I don't know. All kinds of stuff. It was funny, or it was kind of sad. They were like, all right, we're taking a break for 20 minutes. We're going to look at the radar, see how it goes. And they, like, canceled. Because, dude, the weather was so bad. It was, like, really bad coming up. So, couldn't do it. Anyway, hype in the chat. Happy birthdays in the chat for King Logan, alright? Let's do it, baby. Let's do it. Jake Roberts, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Really appreciate it, dude. Drink those double IPAs. Cheers from Sarasota, brah. Bruh. Dude, you're saying brah?
Bruh.
We're in the south, man. Come on, it's bruh. Up north, I think it's brah. Or it's like west is brah. Hey, Willow Crypto Man. Lael Height, we're drinking tonight. Cool, you're in. Alright, what are you drinking tonight, Lael Height? Let us know, please. Okay, this is a crypto and chill stream. This is a very, very crypto and chill stream, okay? Because I shouldn't even be here right now. Like, straight up chat. I found a way to get here. Because I knew that it was different. Alright, so. Whoops. Looks like you type too much, dude. You know, sometimes when you type too much, you just end up banned. It sucks. But sorry, man, for your loss. Was it Eric, man? Well, you know, dude, it happens. It's summertime, summer storms. But we are summer kangs, so it's all good, dude. Nappy B-Day, yeah. You know, I couldn't even expect Logan to be here since his birthday. He's probably doing things, right? So, it's good. Okay, so this is Ethereum, man. Ethereum's, you know, the idea, it's just like Bitcoin. It has held its support and showed bullish divergence, and it's kind of double bottoming confirmation, right? Low, same low, and you're breaking down slipping resistance, so geometry is on your side, dude. You could be Kang soon. Alright. That's it. Wish it was more complicated than that. We can look at XRP, which is a little different, which is kind of nice. Refreshing how XRP kind of is different than the rest of the market. All I've really got going is since we broke out the down. Remember the imaginary line. You broke out right there, the 14th, 15th of May. And since you broke out, you're in this new world. New world happens to be anchor point 1 and 2 on the top, and then 3 on the bottom. And you've got the 25% trend line of the equidistant channel being held as support. And you're making lower highs than your previous highs consecutively, which isn't really great. But hey, on the other hand, chat, you have higher lows. And let me just break it down for you real quick. Remember, chat, despite anything that's going on, anchor 1 and 2 with 3 and 4, whatever, and 5, you have accumulation with a sell wall. Please don't forget that. This is still very good. All right, just remember that. Like XRP is extremely fine. You've broken out of a trend you've been in for well over 1 year. And since you've broken out from this impulse right here, the only thing you've done is accumulated. You've only made pretty much higher lows, except right here, the lower low, double bottom. But hey, great. Higher lows. Higher lows with the sell wall eventually. If the accumulation continues, you will run up to test that sell wall again, and all those sell orders will get filled by the buyers, the overwhelming amount of owners of this asset, hence the higher lows. And there will, in fact, after those orders get filled, there will not be any kind of supply at this price anymore. The supply will be gone. The supply will be at much higher prices, and we will see a huge rise to the upside. You're setting up, dude. It's like over and over and over again, like nonstop. Every market, these patterns develop, and then they break out, and then they rise to higher prices, and it's like, remember, hello? And then, you know, a new wave of peasants come in and they say, TA's fake, man. TA's not real. It's like, yeah, well, you weren't here all these times that TA actually worked out incredibly well, and it was like showed live, right? So, oh my God, I forgot to turn the confetti off. My bad, dude. Holy crap, dude. Wow. Sorry, dude. Chat. My bad, man. Anyway. Sell wall. Accumulation. Okay, man. Very good. We have 3 clinking beer mugs via SMS from Kang Logan.
Fantastic. Julia, thank you so much for the update.
No, I have not checked out that guy yet, no. Anyway. That's the big 3 right there, dude. Is that it? Is Logan here? Crap, man. Sorry. I guess not. Man, I rushed. Okay. Bruh, QLC to BTC. No one cares about QLC to BTC, dude. You're the only one that cares. Alright. Good God. Spamming doesn't really, like... It's not like I don't see it, dude. I just don't care about this trash, okay? It's like every other piece of crap, dude. It's actually worse. It's actually really bad. It's actually trash. It's really, really bad. I mean, like, what do you want from me, dude? You're looking at QLC, which is not special. You think it might be special. It's not. Oh, since its inception, it's been terrible. It's only gone from 5,000 Satoshis to, well, 500 Satoshis. So, I guess that's good, right? Well, the team will have you believe it's good. It's like 1 and 2 here, I guess, right? I don't know, man. Sure, dude. Sure. A little bit of bullish divergence. Mother of God. Like, is that really a surprise that you diverged on the way down? Wow, dude. No divergence on the RSI was terrible. I mean, now you're converging. Good for you. But you're bearishly converging on the upside. Like high on price, lower high on price, lower levels of positive Momo. I mean, that's not really good. So, it's like you like broke out. Yeah, I mean, it might be a 5% fail. Bulkowski, or not Bulkowski, excuse me, Wyckoff thing where you're back up. Are you really even back up though, man? Are you? I have no idea. Okay, maybe a little bit more confirmation will be good. If you get back above this area and then you could really back test, for real back test, like break it and back test and hold for a little while, then yeah, it might actually be pretty good. Okay, it could be like a false breakout of the downside, and then we could get ourselves a nice spring to the upside. So maybe, dude, maybe you're okay on QLC. Very, very maybe. Please understand, it's an S coin, dude. Illiquid S coin. I don't really know how well TA works on S coins that are so illiquid. All right, and remember, at the end of the day, the trend is bearish. It is not bullish. It is bearish. All right. It's a pretty big deal, man. And it's not good. Where do I get my soundboard? Zatcher, you want to answer that? What is that? You remember when I was on the other channel and everyone would get triggered when I called a coin trash? Yeah. That's kind of how it works, right? I mean, people that are just obsessed with crypto will say that, but it doesn't really matter. Oh my god, I'm kind of scared right now because I am in, you know, what's it called? Google Chrome, and Google Chrome is like suspect, or it's, there's a high chance that I will lose all my browsers tonight. They'll just disappear forever. So, would I even buy this coin? Of course not. You kidding? High Desert Garden? I know you're probably asking rhetorically, just so I answer no. I'd never buy QLC ever. No. Terrible. BYND Neil C. What's up with it? Welcome to insanity sometimes. It happens. It really does. Yeah, dude. Pot brownie from the local pot shop in the state of Alabama. Yeah, Mastrommer. Yeah, dude. Okay. Why has that been? You can tell what? You can tell my portfolio's down because I'm talking crap about an S-Coin. I talk crap about S-Coin so other people don't get the idea to think it's an actual good asset to put their money in, dude. That's why I talk like this. Ben, are you talking to me? Who are you talking to, dude? I just, it's kind of weird. No, I talk like that to help people, alright? Are there, Lodic? Are there a lot of trolls? I've only seen like one, and it was just right now, so.
$3.6. Not great or terrible.
Respect Teta. Mitch Remichael shot.
Sauce Gang, thanks for the $3.60. The 3.6 Rokins, dude. Michael Scott. Wayne Gretzky. You forgot Wayne Gretzky, dude. What are you doing, Sauce King? Forgetting the man who made it all possible. Alright, Hockey King. Anyway. What are you saying about that, man? Oh my god. Chat, ladies and gentlemen, are you kidding me? Oh my god, yes! Chat, are you here? If you understand what's real in life, you understand the spring was real, okay? The spring was very, very real right here. Oh my god, you talk about Jesus chimes? Yes, sir. Julia Gulia! Libra Jenkins, oh my god!
Alert. SMS from the king. For all of chat. One word. Chug. Happy birthday, Logan.
Dude, oh my god. Mother of God. Chat. Oh my god. Hold on. Just give me a second, chat. God! There go all my stuffs. There goes all my stuff, man. I'm done. I'm done, dude. I'm gonna go to Brave. I'm going Brave. I'll never go back. I hate you so much. Whatever you're called. If you don't know, if you're a new viewer or something's going on and you have no idea what's going on, I've been plighted with, heck. Absolute heck. With this browser, man. It's trash. Complete trash. What is it? Whatever. Chrome. Just give me a second, man. Yep, I went up and clicked on the other browser, and then it crashed me. Boom. Crash connect. I'm gonna get the cryptos, man.
Hey Mitch, let me get my TA on like Donkey Kong eating 8 prawn with my nightgown on.
Tear it off, dude. Tear it off. What you talking about, homie, man? Dude, curved it 2 times, man. Thank you so much, man, for the 1337. And Julia, right before you. Thanks so much for the 8888. Unbelievable. You're here for King Logan. Are you sending the proxy or something? Hold on, dude. I'm still like out of it because of this stupid. You lose all your chat. You lose all your browsers. I have like 6 browsers open and I can't. I have to restart all of them. Unbelievable. Yeah, I unplugged everything, dude. It's stupid, man. Something's just gone completely stupid. And of course, I won't curse, so I can't do justice of how bad it is. Okay. Give me a sec. Hold on. Yes! Yes, baby! Yes! Alright, chat. Alright, it's time. It's time. Okay? Look when I posted this. Oh my god, it's not time. We have one more time. Frickin'.
Won't make it tomorrow. Keep it real.
Bruh, Argus-Scan. That's okay, because you tipped in the day stream, and now you're tipping in the night stream, so that, like, gives you one tomorrow. So your streak is still intact, brother, man. Dude, thank you so much for the $117 super chat, man. Oh my god. I don't know what to say, man. Besides, thank you. Friggin' love you. And, oh, I didn't even fix that yet. Hold on, sorry. Kind of embarrassing. Argus-Scan's here, and I just am not prepared. Okay, there we go. It's a little bit better. Alright, we're good. Argus-Scan also, I got to say that there is also this going on. Bam! Okay, look on the 8s. It is now a new 4-hour candle, and we've just bearishly engulfed. Believe it or not, you can call me crazy or sane, that's bearishly engulfing. Bearishly engulfing. Sucking suck. Lots of rejection, which is actually not to say it's good for anyone, but it's good for the idea of what could happen. And what could happen is, again, like completely, I might be completely wrong, and it's probably never going to happen, or it might not ever happen, but I don't really care. I'm waiting for it, and I'm going to take a shot if it does happen. Okay, that's all I'm saying. And this is what my idea is. Okay, again, call me crazy, call me insane, call me whatever you want, but I'm waiting for like 7240, 7250, and if it happens, I'll take my shot. And all I'm saying is you make a lower high. Look, you made a 50% retrace from your high to low. It's a common retrace before selling off again. You have not broken out. You're not a king until you break this downsloping resistance that I have plotted right here. And so it makes sense, man. If you run up 50% of the way and you sell off again, you make a slightly lower high than lower low than your previous low. And when we make the lower low than our previous low, we'd eventually make scrubby little levels of negative Momo, and then from this low to this scrubby, slightly lower low, we make bullish divergence. That's what I'm looking for on the MACD. And again, it's an idea, and it's not something that people do, and it may never happen, which is fine, but I'm just going by the textbook, dude. Going by the textbook. Alright, so real quick, I do want to show this. See what I can do real quick.
What's up, guys?
Hold on.
How you guys feeling tonight? All right. We're just getting started here.
I don't know how to make this not stupid. Hold on. Oh, I can do it somehow. Okay, man. Okay. So this was me saying, all right, dude. Wax Connect. Chat. Wax Connect. You are range bound. Hold on. You are range bound. And you've just made this move down where you were going to break out bearishly, but you failed. You effing failed. And that was what got me, dude. That right there. That failed breakout where you busted back to the upside, back inside the old support area. That was what triggered me to be like, this is a trade setup, bro. This is a trade setup. This is like low risk, high reward opportunities, right, man? Boom. Hit entry. And look what happened, dude. You went up. You long shot it all the way up to the second profit taking level. Just like, whatever, man. Like, come on, dude. Come on. Let's go, Wax. Cheers to all of you, dude. Cheers to y'all. I mean, this is so much fun, man. This kind of stuff is just great, man. Okay. Alright, but hey, dude, we've been waiting on this one. Dude. How long? Dude, May 18th, dude. I posted this May 18th. And I'm like, come on, Wax, man. Like, looking at it, like, Wax, well, we gotta do something, man. And it finally did something, man. God. Welcome to the S-Coin world. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful S-Coin world we live in, alright? It's beautiful. Anyway, so you wish I would have showed you the plan before you went long. Hey man, your plan might not be wrong. You're in the green, I guess, for now. But again, it's harmonic, and it's clear that High Desert Garden, you didn't watch my static video like 2-3 days ago where I literally talked about this complete idea. So King Logan, what's up, dude? Cheers, dude. King Logan, oh my god. Bruh. You got it. Excuse me. Karate Kid joke. Wax on, wax off, wax your butt. Richard Dunhill. There it is. Unbelievable, man. Unbelievable. Let's go, Wax. Let's go, Bitcoin. Let's go it all. All right, Bitcoin, 79.72. Not too far off 8,000 again. Will we rise on the weekend? Illiquid Kangage that we've been seeing. 3 out of the past 4 weeks. Or 3 out of the 4 past weekends, to be fair. All right. What the F? Sorry, chat. I'm like just getting calibrated, man. All right, just everyone, calm down, man. Don't get mad at me, dude. Don't get mad at me. Ted Carroll, thanks for the 3.33. 33 repeating course, whatever. Leroy Jenkins, gangs, man. Thank you, dude. Thank you, dude. Happy born day to King Logan. Yes. He's a legend in our community. Alright, man. I don't really know. I've been live for 35 minutes now, somehow. Rushed home to get live. Let's leave a link randomly. Why not? Link has broken out of the downtrend. And that's it, man. Huge spike in positive Momo. Bullish divergence rallied us to the prices we see now at $1.15 when we got as low as 83 cents. All right, so we're out. We're out, man. We're still out. So we have not back tested the trend line that was once a resistance as support. No, we have not. But we know the minimum target, if one was to trade a breakout of a downsloping little channel like this, the minimum target is always going to be the 100% retrace around $1.48. Okay, that's just specifically because it doesn't make sense to be like, if you're a swing trader, it doesn't make sense to be taking profit here or like here or anywhere before the 100%, because the risk you're taking is relatively high. Like if you don't have rewards up here, then your risk is, you know, like, think about it, man, like a breakout buyer, you know, like I'm a breakout bear, man. All right, so like, you know, you gotta like keep a relatively looser stop, because just in case it keeps like skating along the bottom trend line before rallying. Okay, so you're bumping. It's a typical bump and run, man. So, you know, keeping it down a little bit. All right, hey, maybe like below the candle close here, or maybe below the wick if you want to be safe. But then all of a sudden, it's like you got like support resistance here. Or it's like, that's a good area where it might bounce, right? So either way, all of a sudden, if you keep your stop loss loose like that, because you don't want to get wrecked. You know, you don't want to get stopped out right at where the support resistance is, the good one, the strong one, right inside. 3.39 to 1 reward to risk. But then if you're like, I don't even care, man, I don't even care, like just keep it tight, then all of a sudden you got like almost 7 to 1 reward to risk if you keep your stop loss really tight. You're like, I think once it balances, it's going, dude, right? So first target, and then your second target from a high point to low point, the 1272, higher prices up here. Okay, anyway, so it's just talking about breakout buying. It's not really ideal, but people do it. Just has a much higher fail rate than you know, divergence trading, Momo shift trading. Okay. God, man. Bad coin. What are you talking about, dude? I don't understand. Oh, thanks to like nearly 400 people tuned in. I don't even know how. Hold on. Tim, I don't even know, like, it's unfortunate that comment will never be seen, but it doesn't even make sense. Like, no one even knows what you're talking about, dude. Unfortunately, dude, right? What's up, Matt to D? He made it. He's late, dude. Better late than ever, I think they say, or something like that. Alright, let me redo my charts again, because nothing saves, because all my charts disappear, man. Okay, so like, yeah, the idea was, okay, the topic of conversation in the day stream was like, okay, good. I'm glad that this didn't hold up, because it didn't make sense as a potential ascending triangle. It didn't make sense, dude. You know, it makes sense when you have an impulse, and then after the impulse, you sell off, and then you create the pattern, right? And what I'm talking about is, this is what I'm talking about. Do you understand where the triangle is coming from now? Okay. Sell wall accumulation. It's developing, man. It's developing. So give it time to develop. And eventually we might see much higher prices. First target's going to be 11 cents. But dude, yes. Okay, now we have it. We have a higher low than our previous low, which is good. Accumulation's still real, and you're just developing the pattern. Great, man. How can you be mad about this, dude? You can't be. Lake Tahoe Crypto Cash? What's up, dude? Don Corleone. Dude. I don't know, my throats are killing me, dude. Not like it's sore, it's like constantly just dry, dude. killing me, dude. Sorry, chat. This is not XM. This is not XM radio, dude. Okay, sorry. You should expect amateurism. All right, I'm an amateur. I'm not a professional like the XM peoples. Okay, man. So just get over it, man. Oh my God, BYND, HG. Of course we've done BYND. We do it every day. Yes, chat. Yes. Wonderful. Bruh. Man, things are different than I expected them to be tonight. I don't know. How do I feel about Elliott wave theory? I don't think anything of it, man. Okay, I don't really practice it. I haven't really learned it, and I'm not the one to ask about Elliott wave theory. And doesn't mean that Elliott wave is invalid or doesn't work. It's just not something I use. Okay, and that's okay. That's like, it's completely okay, man. All right. Hope that helps. I know it doesn't, but hopefully it gives clarification into the fact that you can be successful and not know Ichimoku, or not know Elliott wave, or not know harmonics, or not know I mean, I don't know, like, maybe you can be successful not knowing divergence and stuff. Good luck, right? Hold on a sec. I feel like I can do, like, I can do anything now, man. I can do anything. Just give me a sec, man. I'm just changing it up, alright? We can play Trogdor. If we want to play Trogdor. Trogdor, the dragon pattern. Played that for Larly today. It was pretty funny, man. Once we break the upside. But then the weekend sets in and it's like, bleh. Kind of kills things, right? Dang, dude, I haven't been playing, like, music much. Different music, because, like, I've just been scared and confined, right? But I could play that just for fun, because we know we can get away with it. Right?
Shopify, please. Looking for short entry for this unicorn.
Passive-aggressive insult. Dude. Good luck, dude. I'm getting killed on mine. I'll tell you that. Alright. There is none. There is no entry. Okay. $300. You're over $300. There's no divergence. Not really. No divergence. I wouldn't worry about it, man. I'd wait for a lower high. Wait for a lower high, and then, like, right? Like, wait, like, so hot, like, high, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high. Wait for the point when we eventually top out, sell off, make a lower high than our previous high. That's the time to short, dude. Okay. At this point now, I'm taking it. It's too insane, right? It's too crazy. Again, I took a very, very small short, on Shop, and yeah, I'm paying for it a little bit. Again, the fact, like, when you take small shorts, you just don't worry about it. Really, the thing is, you just keep layering into a short for something. You want to see the month. You know why? This isn't like a joke like Logan Scandals. What? Oh my god!
I heard that Logan smokes weed pins courtside at
Marijuanas? The marijuanas? Thank you, Logan Scandals, so much for the 50. I heard that too. It was actually on the news. They talked about it briefly. This music's too loud. What the F? Hold on. Good God. Jeez, man. I can't get my decibel levels right anymore. Okay, it's like something's wrong. So, yeah, I would agree. King Logan vapes. and he vapes on courtside seats of basketball games, actually. It wasn't basketball. That was the misconception. He was actually, I believe, him and a bunch of friends were at a basketball game, which is a different game than basketball, believe it or not. And things happen, man. But I think he might have led a revolution.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
I don't know, dude. Oh, yeah, I think he did. Logan Scandals for the 50. Kangs, man. Kangs. But you want to talk about real Kangs, though, dude? Mr. Scandals, dude? You want to see, like, gravity being broken to shreds? Look no further than Shopify. Oh, my God, man. I don't even know what to tell you, dude. It's, like, just beyond. Like, there's no words. Okay, it's like you had a beautiful channel, and then you just decided to break it. You bull flag. You literally bull flag. Like, I'm talking the measure moves like hit so hard. Where am I? What is this? Okay, so, dude, just look at this. Seriously, look at it. That's your consolidation, really? It's like hard to believe. It's almost impossible to believe it's real, and it's now exceeding the living F out of it. It doesn't make sense. It's like, where are you going, Shopify? Where is it that you want to be? You're above 300. So, like, look, I know people are layering into shorts constantly, but like me, I'm going to probably layer in again a very, very, very small position, and I could get killed, but it's not much. I think the risk is so low. Like, you just keep doing this, eventually, dude, it'll. All right, you know why? All right, before the Logan Scandals appeared on 60 Minutes just now, I want you to see the monthly. Yes, the monthly chart. This is why. Okay, dude, like, this is why I'm like making very small layer ins to Shopify to short. Because do you think that can last, chat? I mean, if you do on the monthly chart, my God, dude, maybe you're just new or you haven't participated in markets that are traditional. Okay, this is a traditional market. This is not crypto, dude. Okay, this is like regulated by the SEC and all that. So, yeah, if you think this can continue on up, it can. It certainly can. But just layering into short, because look, I'm saying when the rug gets pulled from this asset, it's gonna be really bad. Like, it'll be, hey, straight up and then straight down. Okay, there's not really any support being built. The only support that you have is like 177, and you're at 305 right now. You closed the day. This is one of the best performing stocks, I think, on the stock market, for real. It's just not, it does not want to be beat. It is just going to keep going up, and it can keep going up all at once, right? But good luck, man. Good luck. Good God. Take that short!
Telsa short tip $25. Short the Telsa bounce and said Mitch. Easier money.
Is that a joint?
Yeah, because I don't think Shopify's a scam, but there's a lot of argument going around that Tesla could be a scam, right? Just saying. And we're going to look at it right now. Hold on. Definitely could be argued. Chat, can you hear me? Tesla Connect. Nice. At least this saved. Jeez, man. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top. Incredible parallel channel, right? The trend you're in is so bearish. And all I did, right, on my Fibonacci was from my previous high, the minor high, to the low. We've retraced 38.2%. Yep, 38.2% of the way. Heart line of the channel, resisted it, and also what do? We've rejected the living crap out of it. Do you think this gap's not gonna get filled at 198? It probably will get filled. I'm just saying, man. A gap with this, especially on Tesla, will get filled. Don't be upset about it. Don't be mad. Seriously, don't get emotional about the fact that Tesla will fill the gap, and it is currently in. It's been in one, okay? It's been in a downtrend since December 12th, 2018. It's now, guess what? It's not like a couple months later. It's now June 7th, 2018. We're talking like 6 months we've been in a downtrend. All right? We didn't show... hold on. Maybe we showed a little bit of bullish divergence on the MACD on the 4 hour. But we showed bearish convergence on the RSI. So... well, let me get some music going, dude. Sorry. I feel weird without music on. Okay, chat. Just saying. Hold on. Oh, this is good. This will be good. RL, I can't hear you over your... whatever you're talking about. RL, I can't hear you, man. Can you hear me, dude? Too good, man. Too good at music. I wish I could hear it myself. I can't. So Tesla Connect bounced off what? Look left. It bounced off a support back from November of 2016. All right. Finally bounced, and it's only rallying to not make higher highs. You realize what a higher high would be, right? You'd have to break $260 to be a higher high. In order to break the downtrend you're currently in, you'd have to break above whenever you got there, $230 to $217. Again, depends on when you get there. So you haven't done any of that. So you're clearly still in a downtrend, and you're only touching the heart line. You're on the bottom side of the heart line, the bottom side of the channel, using as resistance. That's pretty trash, dude. It's nothing. It's not good. Not really good. But, look at the volume involved. Like, the highest amount of volume we've seen on Tesla since February of 2014. So, been like 5 years since we've seen volume like we saw today on the 4 hour. Yeah. Real life. No doubt. Falling wedge on Tesla, we had one and we broke out of it bearishly, and now we're just back testing it as a resistance when it was once a support. That's all I got for you on talking about a falling wedge. Okay, dude, Kangs. But you know what? Tesla has a lot of debt, more debt than I think most companies do. Neil, probably in time, dude. Seriously. We're on the tail end of an extremely bullish cycle. And normally on the tail end of bullish cycles, there's normally culprits that are huge names, that have big names, that end up being like scams and stuff. So like, who's a big name that's going to end up being a scam on the tail end of this decade-long cycle? And I'm talking like every decade or longer, right? I mean, this is an over 10-year-long market recovery, okay, on the stock market. Previous ones were a bunch of banks. What were the ones before that? Like Enron and a bunch of .coms, right? What were the ones before that? There's always some, right? Every 10 years or so, there's huge scams that have big names, big marketing that everyone knows about, right? So why do you think that's going to be any different this time? There's going to be like big companies that are big scams, okay? Every 10 plus years, you're getting it. It's not something new. Hello? It's not just like, oh yeah, it's like every day we see scams. No, like it takes like a decade or a little more for them to like be known and like actually stuff starts happening, okay? Okay. Anyway, hope that helps on Tesla Connect chat. All right? Hold on, chat. Hold on. Look, I can't be doing things that could jeopardize the channel. I must be calm. All right? Must be prudent in what I play. I think I might have to play that, dude. Safe. It's definitely safe. Yeah, it's definitely safe. Hold on. Oh yeah. We're safe, dude. Nugsnet can't touch us, chat. They can't touch us, dude. Bruh.
Bruh.
It'll be a while, Kirk, if it does, and then would you really then?
Is that a joke?
Tells a short tip $25. Preach Mitch. Tells the Frog movie coming to theaters near you in 2021.
It might be a little later than that, right? I mean, it might be like too soon. Yeah, there were probably, I mean, like, just like there was a documentary on, like, smartest guys in the room, right? I mean, like, dude, people say, oh, yeah, you can compare, like, Tesla to modern day Enron. Okay, tons of people think that. And then it's like, maybe it's not as bad as that, right? Maybe it's not as, like, malicious as the Enron issue, but, like, they're only ensuing debt. They acquired a bunch of debt, and they haven't paid it off, Chad. They haven't. Tesla's not paid off their debt, and there's not really a plan to pay off the debt. There's not, and it's not gonna probably happen. Though we'll be fair here that what I've read is Tesla has done really well in North American auto sales, better than pretty much every other company that exists on the planet. Car companies. It's not enough, man. All they've done is bought debt. They have acquired debt like every year, man. They'd be out of money. You know, like, didn't they announce they'd be out of money in like 8 months without some sort of cash infusion, dude? Like, they require money. Like, they have to have money. And it's not their own money. They require new money to survive. And that's kind of scary. That's unsustainable. That's not how business works. That's never how it's worked. So, yeah, man, this will be some sort of like story. Give it 20 years, however long it takes for Tesla to literally crash and burn. This will be a documentary. Like, there will be documentaries on Tesla. Just don't like doubt it, man. Just come back and be like, oh yeah, I'm clipping Mitch from June 7th, 2019. He said there will be some sort of documentary on Tesla in the future on about how unsustainable the business model was and how crazy it was and how we must all learn from what happened with what they did to the future, just like Enron, just like all these other these companies in the past that were scams, or they like did things weird and unconventional and they were wrong to begin with, right? Tesla's just going to be one. And what do you really think? Like, it's not going to be one? Okay, we'll just give it time then. Okay, give it lots of time. Give it 10 years. All right. No, I'm not streaming on Twitch. I only stream on YouTube now. Restream's trash. Okay, there's no audience on Twitch. Twitch is a bunch of children. Okay, so why would I stream on Twitch when the only people that watch Twitch are children that don't care about crypto or stocks or trading or technical analysis, right? Why would I go there when my audience isn't there? Okay, I'm not a thought. I'm not an obese man who like sits there as an IRL streamer and produces no content like Greek God X or whatever his name is, dude, like, it's ridiculous, man. There are just people on Twitch that are extremely successful that have like thousands of subs, and they don't do anything. They don't educate. They don't help people. They're just there. They just sit there and just talk about whatever, man, right? They can like literally make a living doing nothing, right? I think I spend like 80% of my time trying to at least educate on the ways of technical analysis. And then on Twitch, there are people that are like maybe 4 or 5 years younger than me, and their life is just them sitting there not helping people grow emotionally or mentally. It's just they're just there, and they just talk about stuff for like 7 hours, 10 hours at a time, like every day. Okay. And they make a living doing it. So good for them, man. Good for them. Yeah, seriously, good for them. But that's Twitch, man. I don't fit on Twitch. I do not fit in on Twitch, man, at all. Like, and I've tried watching some of the stuff. I'm like, what are these people doing? All right, they're like more successful than me in terms of concurrent viewership. Like, they have like 5,000 subs, whatever. Like, hey, that's great. And I'll watch them, and I'm just like, how could someone watch this for more than like 5 minutes without just being like, what am I doing with my life? At least when you come in here, you spend 5 minutes here, you might be learning something about charts, right? Maybe. So it's just a different world, man. Twitch is a completely different beast than what we're doing, than what YouTube is, than whatever we're building. I don't know what it is. It's just different. Okay, so anyway, so with Tesla, guess what? On the 4 hour, you're still below the 50, so that's not really bullish. You need to be above the 50. Your 20 needs to be above your 52 if you're going to be really bullish. You're not. You're not bullish at all, dude. All right. You're here to grow. You're here to grow emotionally and mentally. Richard, you're screwed, dude. Kappa. Certainly, BG. I know that. Amazon and Switch. Sure. I don't know, man. People have compared me many times to a stripper. My God, how many times people can compare me to a stripper? Over the past 16 months, I have been compared to a stripper. Yes, I have. So, Michael David. Yeah, it's true. Twitch does not archive. It does, kind of. Every live stream, you know, like every live stream I did on Twitch, it's there. Okay, so it does get archived. But they're not like an archive, like, that's not what they're known as. Like, no one's, like, going, searching for stuff, like, keywords, like, oh, crypto, and all of a sudden you're seeing, like, a bunch of stuff, right, on Twitch. Streaming Beanie Babies, my Beanie Baby collection, John Doe, it is here, man. Oh, my God, my Beanie Baby collection, man. Oh, my God, man. Sprint mobile charts. I'll give you some Sprint mobile charts. Okay, dude. All in. We are logical people in an illogical, impulsive, instant gratification worlds. People want to watch what's in them, not what can be them. I guess that makes sense. It's true, man. But I like looking at it like you're eating like broccoli here. Like this channel's like broccoli. You know, I don't really know if I want to eat broccoli. Oh, God. It doesn't taste that good. Ray's not that good looking. His voice isn't that great. I kind of like have to like listen to Ray and watch Ray because he's like overbearing. But if I ingest the broccoli, it's kind of good for me, right? It's like helping me, like it's nutrients for my body. It's good. But if I go and watch Ice Poseidon, or if I go watch Greek God, or whatever that very obese guy, whatever his name is, Greek God, he calls himself that. He's not one. He's not a god. Believe me, dude. Or what are the other guys' names? Trainwrecks. All of them, dude. You go watch them. It's just kind of like eating like Swiss cake rolls or like Twinkies or, you know, whatever, man. Whatever is junk food to you, that's like your mental junk food. So that's the way we kind of look at it. Yeah. No one wants to eat broccoli, but it's good for you. Believe it or not. Okay. Who cares if there's a diamond on the 1 hour? Diamonds aren't really reliable on the 60-minute, dude. Diamonds are like better on the... Look for a diamond on a daily, CJ, dude. Diamonds are good on the daily, bro. Broccoli with butter and salt. Yeah, man, that could be good, young phenom. Yeah. Could be good. BG, well, whatever you want to call it, okay? Chocolate pudding or vanilla pudding, it doesn't matter, dude. Flat Earth Connect. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Chat, I don't know, man. I'm just around. Where is my other thing, dude? God. That's what happens to all my internet or all my browsers just go away. Like, whatever, dude. No big deal. We're right around $8,000 again, chat. I mean, here it is. Right back around it. Illiquid market on the weekend. Could do anything. Hey, thanks for the 151 likes. Thanks to the 400 people here. All right. Well, I just really wanted to be here to wish happy birthday to Logan. He's not here. He's doing his own thing. It was kind of dumb for me to, like, rush back. I should have, I mean, like, I literally was late because I was, like, getting back from doing my own thing at, like, Good People Brewing, right? If you follow me on Snapchat, you know.
Brew, you are the worst stripper I have ever seen. I throw Jacksons and Ganada. Maybe pick better stripper name like Lord Crystal?
Lord Crystal. Yeah, we can do Lord Crystal. Hi, I'm Lord Crystal. Stripper Connect. That's what it is, man. We're decentralized strippers. Let me just get a tattoo of a QR reader on my butt. Thank you, Rob Barman, for the 20, dude. Really appreciate that. Kangs, man. Thank you, dude. Much love. So yeah. Bitcoin's flirting with 8K again. Yes, Mr. Lodick. Absolutely. Oh, man. I don't know, dude. I'm just in this, like, weird state in my life. Trying to find, like, balance. Balance is not easy. Like, trying to find balance has been very tough. And I still am very imbalanced right now. Okay. Sure thing, young phenom man. What's up, Scoured man?
Broccoli, 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 broccoli.
I agree, man. Thank you so much, Scoured, with 1337 Elite Connect. Thank you, brother, man. Oh god, dude. Illiquid S coin. Are you just tipping me $2 just to get laughed at? Hold on. Jesus. Oh my god, dude. I can't even scale it. Wow, dude. You're back. You're back. Wow, dude, really? Is this worth a $2 super chat? Or like $1.50, whatever it costs? Because you remember, like, if you super chat me like $2 and you're like requesting a chart, it's like less, it's like, you know, YouTube takes 30% of it, right? So don't be like mad if I'm like doing things. Okay, look at this trash. Wow. What about it, dude? What about it? Crap I don't even care about. Okay, man. It's like you got a down subbing channel after an impulse. What do you want from me? There's no bullish divergence. Nothing besides like you're bouncing off of support. Yeah, sure. Congratulations on bouncing off of support. How high you gonna go, man? You're probably gonna go as high as 36 sats. Dude, if you want to play this, man, good luck. Have fun, dude. The fact that you even know what XDN is, I'm kind of impressed, man. I'm kind of like, dang, you know what this... See, I have no idea what this is. See, you do, and it's like, dang, dude. Congrats on the research you've done. Okay. Because...
What
do you want me to do, man? What do you want me to, like, talk about? If you ever broke out... If you ever broke out of this trash little resistance, right? Just go to the 100%. Just go to the 100%. That's it, dude. Right there. 69
Logan
stats.
Scandals tipped $25. Logan isn't actually
Logan
partying
himself.
on his birthday. He's cheating on you with a better looking new Twitch streamer named Alice.
No! I'm telling you, he probably is. Look, man, we expect, dude. I'm not. No one said I was good looking. No, I never even signed up for this to be like, hi, I'm a good looking streamer. No one ever said I was. I never tried to be. I just showed up with a webcam that was not 1080p that you're seeing now, 720p. I don't look as bad. I don't really look as ugly with 720p. So, like, it's your fault and everyone else's fault for contributing, so I reinvest in the stream, and therefore you get more pixels of me. And that's kind of, again, your fault. So, but yeah, he's probably looking at a hotter streamer, a better looking streamer. I agree. Thank you, Logan Scandals. It might be Logan himself. Just saying. If we ever broke out of this scrub channel, you know, you're looking for your first target to be the top of the channel, right? Like 68 sats. Good luck, dude. Good luck, dude. Let me change the music too. Jeez. Let's go, dude. Let's go. I bet you had. Oh my god. Sorry. Whatever. You get it, dude. Just kind of like have fun, dude, with your super chat. Your scrubby XDN coin connect. Alright. I'm about to break the seal, dude. Holy crap, man. Seal being broken. Yes, I am. I do have to go back to Bitcoin because we haven't looked at it in a second. And Bitcoin's kind of trying to, in its own way, run back up the other side. It's below 8,000, but $7 below. Alright, hold on. Alright, like multiple ways to look at this. Alright. The rising wedge breakout with the downsloping channel, and we've double bottomed with bullish divergence, and your confirmation of a bottom with the second bottom with a bullish engulfing candle has manifested into higher prices, but not much higher prices on the weekend, being illiquid, low volume, all that stuff, and you're not really going anywhere. You hit from a high point to a low point of 50% retrace. Literally, that's as high as you've gone on the wick, 81.37. Okay, so not really that great, not that big of a deal. That's it. Okay, I've got to break the seal, dude. Sorry. Chat. I just gotta do it, man. Nothing I can do about it. Alright. So just hang tight. Love y'all. Be right back.
Broccoli, but your TNT is eggplant.
Hello? What's happening? Dude, what just happened? Hold on. TTS? Foodie, your face may be broccoli, but your TNA is eggplant. Oh, it feels so good! Thank you, Foodie. Dang, dude. Are you going to the local farmer's market tomorrow to get local vegetables? Possibly in your butt? Please, Kappa. Mini Kappas. Hold on. Let it be known. The Kappa was there. It was only... Sometimes everyone has the high ground. But sometimes I can high ground it with butt comments, okay? Don't get mad at me, dude. It's... I'm sorry. It's 12:49 Eastern. It's beyond midnight. If children are watching right now, maybe you should look at yourself as a parent for being like, dang, dude. maybe it was a little too late. Maybe it was a little too late for my child to be up right now to be talking to Mitch. I'm just saying, man. Like, straight up, dude. And we didn't even say anything really that bad. We said stuff about butts. Chat, come on, man. Someone back me up here. Seriously? Jeez. Sean Watson, man. Oh, my God. Sean Watson, what are you doing tonight, man? Let's go, dude. Give me an Uber, dude. Sean Watson, dude, let's go hang out, man.
Hey Mitch. Love watching your streams and appreciate your TA. I was wondering if you can please look at BTC/UKG chart.
What? Bitcoin to UKG? Hold on. That wasn't right. Well, dudes. BTC UK says no symbols match your criteria. I can't, dude. I wish I could. Look, I'm looking at it right now. I'm trying. It's just not happening, dude. Not happening. What a connect! Oh my god!
Foodie tipped $25. What I do with my eggplant and broccoli is none of your business.
Bruh.
Well, Allison Nathan might have something to say about that. Just saying, Foodie, man. Thank you, dude. Holy crap. Foodie, do you have any idea what they're talking about with Bitcoin to UKG? They're saying Bitcoin to some rapper, Bitcoin to some rapper's label or record or something, or actual name of their rap musician band. It's not working, dude. I'm sorry. Anyone, chat. Anyone at all. Somebody tell me what's happening. It said UKG, titanium. Am I not saying UKG? We're literally right now in the magnifying glass. Up yonder. Can somebody help me here? Sean, it's not funny, dude. Let's go hang out, dude. I'm serious, man. It's only like not even midnight our time. You know, I was at Good People before I rushed downtown.
3.6. Not great or terrible.
Comrade, we must be looking at IRBT for the glory of the state.
IRBT Skinner Rat? Alright, dude, we'll change it up. Alright, IRBT, what the F is this? iRobot? That's not it, dude. What are you talking about, man? Double Top Connect! Oh my god, we've looked at iRobot Connect before, though. No, yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Let's go, baby! When's the last time we looked at this crap? Dude, look. Double top divergence. Measure move exceeded. Almost double measured your move, right? Oh my god, dude. Like, killed it. Hey, you can't say this didn't play out. Because we analyzed this crap. And as you can see, the measure move was exceeded. And that's about it, man. From your low point to high point, we've receded in value 78.6% of the way. 3.6, not great, not terrible. Foodie, have you seen Chernobyl? Because if you haven't, dude, you got to. Like, you have to watch it, Foodie. Like, it's not a joke, man. Like, it's not like, oh, I know what happened in Chernobyl. It's not about that. I studied like extensively like what happened in Chernobyl, like all the crap that happened. Like I had like heard about it, like read about it, right? But like even the fact that you've read about and you know all the stuff about Chernobyl and so messed up, it doesn't do justice until you watch the HBO series. Okay, dude. So if you haven't seen it, please make it a priority, right? I know you're busy. Everyone's busy, right? Just watch Chernobyl on HBO. It's incredible, dude. It's so good. Anyway, that's what 3.6 is. If you want to get the inside joke, I now have my own if you tip $3.60, it has to do with Chernobyl as an entire inside meme joke. It's not a joke at all, though. It's just really the plant like manager who was a huge scrub, and the whole show talks about it. Okay, dude, don't worry about it. Comrade, say girl, oh my god, sense girl. Fantastic. Chat, is anyone even there anymore? Skyward, glad you liked it, man. Glad you enjoyed it. I knew you would. Right? I know J. Logan Gibson better than Game of Thrones last season. Seriously, Chernobyl, like I was disappointed in Game of Thrones, and then I watched Chernobyl and I'm like, meh. I don't really care about my subscription to HBO now. I really don't care because Chernobyl was that good to me anyway. That's again big preference thing. It's all subjective, right? So like to me, I've always had a fascination for the whole Chernobyl accident, and watching this show is just so much different. It's like so worth the money I paid all year just to see it. Okay. Space Zeros, man, we tried. We're doing our thing.
Not great or terrible.
Yes. Remain calm, Foodie. Remain calm, comrade. That's all I can tell you, dude. Oh, you get to see well, alright, so you're about to see a historical inaccuracy. They do it in the show for a reason with the helicopter. I won't really, it's not really spoiling it because it doesn't even matter anymore, but like, once you watch episode 2, you'll see something happen that doesn't really happen until like 6 months later after all this stuff has occurred. So, anyway, comrade, thank you so much for the 3.6 Roken. You better find out how many Rokens are actually where they are. Where the firefighters were, you're about to find out how many Rokens it was. Out of this world, man. Oh my god, best show ever, man. I don't know. It was so good. Oh, I can't wait for them to do miniseries like this, but there are not many miniseries like Chernobyl, because not many things on this planet have occurred like Chernobyl, so. Last season I got was too rushed. Of course, Keister, because the creators and writers of Game of Thrones, after the books were done, they're rushing off to do Star Wars now. You realize that, right, Keister? So yeah, they were supposed to have 2 more seasons of Game of Thrones, the show, to match the books, and they decided to condense it all down into 1 season, The Winds of Winter, into A Hope of Spring, which is a joke. So stupid. Okay. Anyway. Scoured exactly, dude. It's a historical inaccuracy. It was like in November of 1986 when all that stuff happened, right? Scoured, I hope not, dude. I hope not, man. But yeah, of course. Like that's what happens, dude. Like when you get rushed, like it's not even they're rushing because they just want to get it over with, which is so pathetic. Because it's like, I guess it wasn't their creation to begin with, so they maybe just didn't feel like emotionally tied to it, and they did such a bad job. Like they did a really, really bad job. They made everything a dead end in Game of Thrones, but we don't really have to talk about that. This is not a Game of Thrones show. Even though, are there even many Game of Thrones streamers? People who like go live and do Game of Thrones talk. Like we could do that. We could do a weekly call-in show to Game of Thrones. I read all the books, dude. I read all of them, man. And pretty disappointed, dude. All right. Julia, it really was a serious waste. Look, I mean, as soon as like it deviated from George R. R. Martin's books, yeah, it became terrible, and it's just like kind of sad how it went. I mean, like, it really. Arya spinoff got you sleep. I mean, Arya was supposed to be pretty awesome, so like, I don't think she was a problem with this show. It was many other things, dude. It was just like the character development, dude, of the Night King.
Is that a joint?
Like, what was that?
Been sleeping in Aji, I feel like she's the one for me. Thanks for everything you do, Mitch. Happy birthday to the birthday king.
Happy birthday to Kang Logan, dude. Kangs. Agi Connect, dude? I don't know, man. I don't look at this crap on the reg anymore. Never have I ever. You wanna see something funny, dude? You wanna really see what Agi looks like? Dude, this is your beloved S-Coin, dude. This is your savior, bruh. This is the monthly chart. The monthly, alright? We never look at Agi on the monthly. Never. Ethereum got the one!
Yeah, Miss Ray. I'm just tipping for fun. Cheers.
Can anyone tell me why Mitch Ray sounds like Myth Ray? Myth Ray. Like I'm a myth. Like I don't even exist. Like I have a lisp. Like I can't even say Mitch. Myth Ray. Terrible, dude. Alright. Bruh. Maha Freedom. Really? You want to see Agi? Here's your real Agi, dude, bruh. DT Throne!
Timing on a Game of Thrones weekly recap show is similar to your timing on starting a crypto TA show.
Ran around the time when it all started crashing down, dude, right? Because no one's going to be streaming Game of Thrones in the good times. They'll be streaming Game of Thrones in the bad times because of, well, Charlie Lee and what are the writers and owners of Game of Thrones? Like, whoever the ones that were that started writing after George R. R. Martin, they started writing the show, like, they can be put in the same category as Charlie Lee selling at 420 Litecoin, right? I mean, I guess we could say the same thing. They all sold out at the same time to wreck us, dude. It's weird, though, how it's all gone. Think about, like, the, when Game of Thrones started in 2011 and where it all ended. Think about, like, the political climate for the United States of America. Like, I think it started in 2011. You know, like, the stock market was starting to recover a little bit. Not really based on the stock market itself. It was more based on the government just pumping money into the market, like, every day at a certain time. You had that, and then all of a sudden, like, Game of Thrones ends, and here we are. It's like, you went for... Look, I don't think you're going to disagree. No matter if you're all left side, right side, I don't think we've ever had a more polarized period of time between the previous president and the president we have now. I don't think there's been ever a more polarized, more two opposite presidents in charge, right? I mean, have there been? I mean, and maybe I'm being pretentious and speaking on my butt saying that because, dude, there have been a lot of presidents, and, like, you know, someone from, like, the 1880s would, like, call me an idiot right now. I'd be like, you're an idiot, dude. What are you talking about? Ugh. Like, you know, this president was way more insane than this president. You know, but, like, dude, we're getting to a point now in politics where it's getting really nuts. All right, Obama, you know, Harvard, like, whatever, city organizer, and now you got Trump, who's just like, you know, real estate, you know, just two completely different worlds. Two different, I mean, you got, like, far left, far right now, right? So I'm just saying it's a different world we live in, and I think it's pretty interesting. Most people don't, like, look at it like that. People just look at it like, hey, that the time Obama was president, oh, that was hell on earth, right? Trump's president, this is hell on earth, right? It's just like, look back and look at it, like, anthropologically, where it's just pretty kind of interesting where we are in politics. It's weird. I don't know, man. Thank you, TTS Troll. Cheers, bruh. Wait, hold on.
Bruh. Bruh. Bruh.
C-Dog says he's from the 1880s. He agrees Trump is worse. That's what I'm talking about, dude. Like, someone will say they're from the 1880s and say Trump is terrible, right? Just to say it. Because, like, people... the hyperbole involved right now, politics is insane. And I know it's the same way kind of in the UK with Theresa May. Oh, my God. And Brexit and not Brexiting. And oh, my God, right? Just... constant insanity across the West, alright? I don't really know if Australia's gone insane yet, though. I haven't... Unfortunately, I don't keep up with it that much, and that's my own fault, so... And again, this was not to, like, make politics become, like, the centerpiece of the conversation, but you understand what I'm talking about, at least, maybe? I'm exhausted, Joey, man. Tell me why I'm exhausted. I guess I am. I guess I am. It'd have been fun to just go out and hang with peoples and stuff, but doesn't seem like I know anyone that's gonna be out like at this hour. It's like midnight my time. I live in the suburbs, so you know, unfortunately, I don't think I really got a chance of like just going out and seeing people now, right? I think I'm screwed. All right, Joe, let's see it happen, man. Okay. Oh, was that it, Richard, man? Is that it? Admitting you're insane is the first part of it. Shit, I don't know, man. I think iRobot Connect, low to high, 78% retrace, not really diverging to an extent. I mean, I guess you are. But like maybe you wait for a lower high to develop and solve again to make a slightly lower low, and then maybe show bullish divergence, and that might be the time to strike instead of just like, oh, we finally like gotten rid of negative Momo, building positive Momo. Maybe we wait to make a lower high than our previous high and then sell off to make again slightly lower lows with lower levels of positive Momo on the histogram island, and then we could have real divergence. That would probably be best on iRobot Connect. Okay. Sorry that it all played out in our favor and beyond. My bad, dude. Maybe we should have never looked at iRobot all those many eons ago. God, divergence. Give me a break, dude. Give me a break. Here's your daily chart, man. Daily chart connect. Let's go, man. Still below the 20-day moving average. 20-day moving average is like a 200. Break above that, and you'll be good in my opinion. But if you don't, dude, eventually you'll be testing this 50-day moving average. Currently, as it stands, $69.76, right around $7,000. So don't fall to the downside. Just saying, man, you're building something as it stands now. My bad, dude. Sorry, dude. Sorry. We'll look at the Solve Connect. Sorry. Don't get mad at me, man. Oh, yeah, this one, dude. Hold on. It was Wedge, and it turned into Channel. I just never saved it. Okay, this is what it turned into, man, all right? I remembered it. I remember it. 1, 2, 3.
3.6. Not great or terrible.
Greetings science girl, maniac plantes for you in the Materland. You should come to visit. Mitch, can you take a look at APT on the ASX please? Have we fallen out of a rising plant?
Yes, comrade. Yes, I can. And look at it. It's funny, I've seen this before. I have many memories of this place, comrade. Okay, man. Oh my god, don't you dare tell me. When's the last time I looked at this crap? Because it's very similar to what I drew, man. I swear to God, I don't know the last time I looked at this crap, dude. Oh good, it looks like we sold off, we rallied, we failed. When do we look at this, dude? Like, seriously. Oh my god. Well, it's looking pretty decent right now, man. Alright, you just have like this slightly down sloping neckline, I guess. Instead of like whatever the F. Straight. Alright, just. It's kind of like that, man. Okay, so whatever, man. Okay, comrade. Left shoulder ahead and looks like right shoulder, comrade. And we could maybe set off. It'd be nice to see us set off and set off to lower prices. The measurement of a potential pattern, but it's not happened yet. Okay, man. Wow. Love it, dude. Freaking love it. I mean, whatever. I mean, are we cool with the Sukablayat head and shoulders pattern, or is that it? Andrew Jackson killed the bank #1 president. What about Alan Jackson? He did not usher in a new era of country music, bruh. I mean, come on. Just tell me the truth, dude. Anyway, dude. So it's like you have the upsloping channel. And your head and shouldering. That's about it. It's still potential. It's not real yet. It's not really real until you actually hit this neckline again and then break it to the downside. That's when it's real. But until then, it's not. It was an idea, and it actually played out like, let's just move this over a little bit. There. I mean, like, really, dude? That's about as perfect as it can get for an idea we had in the past, and now it's like doing it. So whatever. Again, a measure move would be ungodly, dude. Like, it would kill you. It would destroy you, man. Like, it'd be like too large, as she would say. Great, dude. Yeah, I mean, a very insane move down, like $16. This is if it played out, which we don't really know yet, dude. We don't know, okay? We don't know if it's played out. It's not. Don't be scared until $22 breaks the downside. That's it. Okay. There's your APT. Find out what it means to me. And then Solve Connect. Bruh, the way we had it 1 and 2 and 3. And then you got the false breakout, and now you're back inside. That's like it. Great, dude. Sure thing, King Crypto, man. Let me rate it off, though, because I'm like... Chat, find me a smart, talented Twitch thought. Thank you. Yulia, TTS Troll, Maha Freedom, Foodie, Skinner's Rat, Spaced Zeros, Logan Scandals, Kang Crypto, Drew T, Skyward, Rob R, Tesla Short again, more Kang Logan Scandals, dude, Ace G, Arcascan, come on, dude, largest contribution of the evening, $117 super chat, thank you, dude, Arcascan, freaking love you, man. Crypto 2 times, Crypto Cash, Salsa Kang, Julia Guskuski, thank you for the 88, oh my god. Mr. Peabody. Thank you, dude. JC. Mike Lerman. No, wait, sorry. That was it. JC was not part of it. And then we go to Crypto Ethereum Guy 321. Thank you for the $5 of Ethereum, brother man. Contribution tonight. Y'all are freaking fantastic. I love y'all. Alright. Wish we saw more of King Logan. But hey, man. No big deal, right? He'll be back at some point. though. I really do love y'all. Y'all are incredible. Y'all give me purpose in this world, and it's great to be here. And every time I go live, y'all are here with me. It means more than you think, or more than you know. All right. So I'll be back tomorrow. Now rest easy. Till next time. Respect the T. A. Sky man, thanks for the 33. It's like, hey, Michael Barker band out there, dude. Michael, thanks for the $5 contribution. Thank you for the contributions. Gangs, man. Gangs. Sorry about the spam, dude. Brooklyn egg.
Bruh. Bruh. Bruh.
Bruh, oh my god, dude. Like, I went up to, like, oh my god, change the music, and then, like, what do you think happened, bruh? What do you think really happened?
bruh,
Like, all my stuff just canceled out. So there go all my browsers. Alright, so I'm just gonna humbly get wrecked and say thanks for watching. And I'm just gonna head on out. I'm gonna exit in a scrubby way.
That boy is good.
Good and terrible.
Adios, turd nuggets.